So for every $2 I spend in Winn-Dixie, I earn a point?
Check.
And I can multiply the points I earn with a mystery bonus coupon?
Check, check.
Ooh, and I can redeem those points to get free groceries.
Check, check, check. Check out. It is time to check out.
Winn-Dixie, it's a win-win.